MetaMask is one of the most widely used cryptocurrency wallets, enabling users to store, manage, and trade digital assets securely. It also serves as a gateway to decentralized applications, dApps, on the Ethereum blockchain and other compatible networks. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned investor, understanding MetaMask is essential for navigating the decentralized web, Web3. In this guide, we'll explore how MetaMask works, its key features, and why it's a top choice for crypto enthusiasts. MetaMask is a software cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to interact with the Ethereum blockchain and other EVM-compatible networks like Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and Avalanche. It's available as a browser extension, Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge. A mobile app, iOS and Android. Unlike traditional wallets, MetaMask is non-custodial ***, meaning users have full control over their private keys and funds. No third party holds their assets. Features of MetaMask. 1. Secure storage of crypto assets. Supports Ethereum, ETH, ***, and ERC20 tokens, like USDT, SHIB, Uni. Compatible with other blockchains via custom RPC networks. 2. Easy access to dApps and Web3. Seamlessly connects to DeFi platforms, Uniswap, NFT marketplaces, OpenSea, and blockchain games. Acts as a Web3 login, eliminating the need for traditional usernames/passwords. 3. Built-in token swap. Users can swap tokens directly within MetaMask via integrated DEX aggregators. 4. Cross-platform compatibility. Sync wallets between desktop, extension, and mobile using secret recovery phrase. 5. Privacy-focused. No KYC, know your customer requirements. Users remain pseudonymous. MetaMask is a powerful, user-friendly wallet for managing cryptocurrencies and accessing Web3. Its security, ease of use, and dApp compatibility make it a favorite among crypto users.